So my advice, if you're in your 20s, middle 20s, or late 20s, or kahit early 30s, na andyan ka sa Middle East, nagtatrabaho as a domestic helper, go back to the Philippines, get a degree or course na gusto mo, or at least 2 years graduate with certificate and diploma. And then lipat ka ng ibang country since gusto mo naman palang mag-abroad. Is because pag may degree ka or may at least natapos ka, kasi requirement po yan dito, requirement po yan sa ibang bansa, requirement po siya sa, kung gusto mo pa rin magpunta ng ibang bansa, kung gusto mo pa rin ibang bansa, free naman ang tuition sa school sa college, state colleges and universities sa Pilipinas. It's because of yung kay former President Duterte dati. So yun, get a degree, you already have the experience of finish lang yung course mo, and then apply ka ulit. Yun.